on one side, and behind us we've got the mountains and the river. Dude, this area sucks. Dude, this place is creepy because I can hear screaming over there as well. It's a little unnerving. So the trail just had us cross over to some little island in the river, but I don't know what happened to all these trees. It looks really weird on here. It looks like a storm hit and knocked everything down or something. I don't know. Dude, this place is creepy because I can hear screaming over there as well. It might just be children playing on a park or something, but from here I can't tell. You've got like nobody here, all these trees down, and then screaming in the background. It's a little unnerving. There's a restroom on this island, which is nice. I ate a banana. This was really good. I need to find more of these for when I'm riding. This is awesome. There's some big buildings. It says Healing Center on that building. This building back here says it's a healing center. Not totally sure I know what that means. I have some ideas, but they're just guesses. All in all, actually, this is a pretty nice island. I said it was creepy. It was creepy at first. Probably when it's not so overcast and there's people out here actually using it. It's probably really nice. It's a little playground over there. More stuff down this way. It's not bad. Little rocky descent. There we go. And we're back on the mainland. For like 15 minutes, I'm cycling and I'm like, what is wrong? Everything looked fine, but like I'm getting so tired. It seems so hard to push. I'm like, I'm not on an incline. I'm checking the tires. Like, are they flat? Did something happen? Nope, everything's good. I thought maybe I hit some limit, some wall that I haven't ever hit before, but then I looked back. I've been on an incline this whole time. It's a very, very, very slight grade, but long enough. Like, it's so slight I can't tell, but it was so long that it added up. It made me think, what is happening? Now it got a little bit steeper. I decided I'm just gonna walk it because that was killing me, dude. All right, I think I made it to the top. Hopefully just downhill now. It wasn't nearly as bad as, what was the one I did yesterday or the day before? It's just that the beginning part was so long and I didn't realize it was an incline. So I killed myself on that part. I would have taken it easier. Woo! Finally. Ah, it's so much better. Dude, screw these speed bumps, bro. Oh, come on. Let me fly. Man, making up all that time on the incline now. Holy crap. Even more incline, let's go. I mean decline, even more decline. Let's freaking go. All that time we spent coming up, exact same on the other side, but the other way. And it's really cold now. This is very cold. Dude, this area sucks. So much downcline. I mean, I can't even think anymore. So much incline, then we went down a lot, and now incline again. But it's another one of those very slight inclines. It's gonna get bigger up there though. We are on a beautiful bridge though. You know what? Let's stop and look at it. There it is. We don't have to go all the way up this. Come on. All right. Here we go. Oh man. Ah, that's nice. Chunju. That sign says it. Chunju. This way. Whew. Oh man. Whoa. Passing through those metal things is a little scary because I have these big bags on the side. I gotta be really careful not to whack one. I guess that's the mountain we just went up, somewhat, on the side at least. Look at that, man. That's gorgeous. On one side and behind us, we've got the mountains and the river. On the other side, we have some rice terraces. How can I not be brought back to the Philippines? This area specifically just looks so much like so many things I saw in the Philippines. It's nostalgic. Okay, this area is annoying. This is the cycling road. It's meant for cyclists only. And there's already been 2 cars past me. I see another one down there. I guess they didn't set up blockades to stop cars from getting on this part, and they just use it. That's annoying.
Just then.
Wow, the timing on that, guys. I was just going by and saw this thing back here, and it said Skydive Korea. I'm like, what? Oh, here comes another one. Oh my gosh. I just stopped to film it and I was gonna say, oh, I guess people skydive around here. And then I heard something above me and looked up and there's all these skydivers. There's still so many coming in. That's so cool, man. Part of me feels like I'm in the middle of nowhere, but at the same time, people out here skydiving. I bet it's beautiful. I've never done it. There's still like 3 more up there. And there's the plane. I was wondering how they got up there. I didn't see the plane. Really, really cool, man. I'd love to try it. There's also people over here taking pictures. Maybe they're like professional, like hired to get pictures. I don't know. And on we go. And the sun's coming out. Ah, it's beautiful. So beautiful suddenly. This is cycling the 4 rivers, guys. You might see a bridge, a beautiful park, or you might suddenly have like 20 people coming down all around you. Pretty crazy. Oh my god. What are these trees? I don't know what they're growing. There's something in bags. Kind of reminds me of in the Philippines, they'd try to protect the mangoes. They put them in bags on the trees. Must be something similar here. I don't know what fruit though. Beautiful view here. Another fake out phone booth, as well as a nice little incline. Not too big, but I'm feeling great. Not many people anymore. Just passed another snake. Snakes are serious here, guys. This elevator has antivirus. At least I have that peace of mind.